Hello my friends! So here are a few tips to improve your guitar tone and playability. The strings. If you are using 9 gauge or maybe even 8 gauge strings and don't like the sound of your guitar, try some 10 gauge strings. This will thicken up your tone and it will make a huge difference. And especially on cheap guitars, the original strings aren't usually that good. So replacing them with some good quality 10 gauge strings will increase the sound of your guitar a lot. Pickup height. Maybe the height of your pickups is not well adjusted. Too low might sound weak and muddy, and too high can sound harsh and might even cause magnetic intonation problems. So take some time and experiment with different pickup heights. The intonation. If your guitar sounds out of tune in the higher positions, you need to set the intonation by moving the saddles back and forth. String action. A good action will increase the playability of your guitar dramatically. And I don't necessarily mean a super low action, but it needs to be comfortable to play. So check the relief in the neck and adjust the truss rod accordingly. Adjust the action at the bridge by raising or lowering the saddles. Also, the string height at the nut should be as low as possible without causing open string buzz. If you still experience fret buzz and can't achieve a good action by yourself, get professional help and get the guitar properly set up by a guitar tech. Maybe it might even be in need of a professional fret job. Sharp fret ends. Especially on low and mid-price guitars, the fret ends are sometimes a bit sharp. Rounding off the sharp fret ends will increase the playability of the guitar. This can be done by yourself, but it might be safer and even cheaper to take the guitar to a pro, especially if you don't have the right tools. Keep your fretboard clean. Sweat and dirt on the fretboard can affect the playability.
Some people say a dirty fretboard gives your guitar character. Well, I don't know if that's really what you want.
Guitar chords.
Cheap cables with a higher capacitance can pick up hum and noise and lower the resonance peak of the pickups.
This is especially noticeable if you are using a longer cable.
So use a good quality guitar cord.
So I hope this video will help you to increase the tone and the playability of your guitar.